Good day and welcome to LSD Studios. And this is Local Hour with me, Andrews Kwakuchamate. With me, Afremi KK. Season no, enche ebe shase. The local season. Shase was September. I say from 6 September no. Ghana Premier League 2024-2025 season no. Ebe twegu. Na se matches dodo na beko so a na say ebeko so our various stadiums and parks ahodo a ewo Ghana. Yɛba Ghana, yɛwɔ various stadiums, and I say yɛwɔ private owned parks and government stadiums. Bi sɛ wokɔ Bechem a, Bechemfoɔ na adea. Wokɔ other league centers a, biribi te sɛ okay. Wokɔ Bechem a, Bechemfoɔ na adea, and I say Bechem United team no, ɛdea wokɔ Brekum a, and also so deɛ ɛwɔ hɔ no ɔmo adea. Okɔ Sama boy a Samates enso ɛwɔ ɔmo stadium ɛwɔ hɔ nom. Ba yɛkɔ Accra a yɛnim sɛ Accra has folk ɔmo si akan ɛwɔ Accra Sports Stadium ɛnkane ɔhene Jan na hɔ na Accra has folk esi ɔmo akan. Yɛba Kumasi nso a the famous Babayara Sports Stadium ɛhɔ na Asante Kotoko korɔbea esi ɔmo akan. Ɛnɛ nsɛm a yɛate ne sɛ NSA National Sports Authority at the charges ahodoɔ atoto ɔmo stadiums across the whole Ghana. Na yɛ sɛ team bi a decide sɛ ebe use National Sports Authority manage stadiums no ɔmo de charges ahodoɔ aba. Ɔmo wɔ option 1 ɛna option 2. Na yɛ sɛ deɛ ɔhwɛ a ɛho da hɔ ma wɔ no na wɔatwusu. Wei na ɛnɛ wɔ Ɔyerepa Sports so no. Abana Clementino the darling boy atena se no. Obo pusu nhoma de kɔ NSA fo aso a yɛ sɛ charges ahodoɔ na ɔmo de aba na den na ɔmo de sa charges na aba. Nim sɛ previously na charges no ɛwɔ hɔ, but this time around no ɔmo de bi abɛkeka ho. Nti na yɛbɛnya sɛ ɛyɛ NSA fo na nkasa bɛba na ɔmo ayɛ den ɔmo bɛkyerɛkyerɛ. Wei na ɔmo pusu nhoma no ɔmo nya NSA PRO Charles Amofa a ɔmo na hwehwɛ nkɔmɔ. Na papa no de nsɛm bebree na tu dwa. Yɛbɛkɔ ne akotie nsɛm a papa no tu dwa. Na mmom ansa na yɛbɛkɔ no. Ɛma awura mfi sɛ ɔbɛ subscribe to our channel. Ɔbɛ click notification bell no anaasɛ ɔbɛ click on the notification bell sɛ ne bɛyɛ a anytime bi ɛbɛ drop video no you'll be among the first people to watch our video. My name is Andrews Chematin. You can call me KK. Yɛnkɔ na yɛnkɔ tie nsɛm a ɛyɛ Charles Amofa PRO for National Sports Authority. PRO for National Sports Authority. And I said PRO for NSA. Or the two, they are charges are able to various stadiums across the whole Ghana.
Yeni ni come more quickly. Charles, good morning. Hello. Hello. Hello, Charles, good morning.
Good morning.
Ebajo, oh ya there.
Boko Minia,
Good. Oh, already adum yansi ho ye pa.
Nice one.
And a period that say why Japan only din komo ewo Oripa TV also Oripa Radio.
Yo, Minia, me da say.
Where you go sun tantama release a yensa kan minim from NSA. Kotoko nko a na ewo mo anase omo isu stadiums be say me yensa no meka me yensa san say Cape Coast there. E say me fenso bia mo bo ho akoye Tamale Accra na Kumasi. Ekɔ de ma class mi ense nyina na.
Yo, Minia Mendas na minchia etiefo minchia wapamfo nso nyina. Te say ne okan no release no any agreement ye ne clubs na ye no. For all the clubs that are using facilities, i.e. Accra Sports Stadium, Babayara Sports Stadium, for now. Enti Accra Sports Stadium, Accra Lions, Accra Hasselhoff, use Accra Sports Stadium. And Babayara so the nyina nim say Kumasi Asante Kotoko na use all. Na the etienne say National Sports Authority if you bre something near ye establish a National Sports Authority no. Yen call mandate per the Act of Parliament no is to manage our facilities, that the state funded facilities. We share Ghana Hanma, you 5 big state funded facilities. Accra Sports Stadium, Babayara Sports Stadium, Sipon Sports Stadium, Kikpo Sports Stadium, and then Tamale 5. Na Premier League clubs use facilities no, and as almost your more kind war facilities no. But something ni na no gate proceeds and de edi ejuma. Enti fan say on the match day fan issues about pitch maintenance, medicals, ball boys, refreshment, 1 year ticketing, all other costs come no, you will be a friend of function statement. Na function statement no sanka mbre wo ma membobo niema ni bi so nche se ne tie. Me wo Accra House of Folk versus Kumasi Asante Kotoko Premier League match 2021-2022 season. Date Sunday 20th February 2022. Match time 3 o'clock. Enti the done ni breakdown no ni ohwe distribution na sika yenya ni nyina no tete expenses fimwa shareholders and as stakeholders 100% no home team and as home club no with the Yamfa Kotokonye example 70% of the gate proceeds no equal Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Ghana Football Association 10% of the gate proceeds equal. PLB, that is Professional League Board, 5% equal. GALCA, Ghana League Clubs Association, 5% equal. Na NSC, 10% of the gate proceeds aba yenyeho. Now the attorney say yen juma ye dini na no aban juma we are an agency under the Ministry of Youth and Sports. Enti ye sika bia yenye bia no ye dini na call back to Ministry of Finance. Na Ministry of Finance in repayment omo ye ya omo release bi e dia man ne dia ye juma. The attorney say on the match day no expenses ni be to say cost of printing tickets. Cost of maintaining pitch no 5% of the gate proceeds. 5%. And your small allowance, I know it's just about you're negligible for allowance for ball boys and maybe I am 20 cedis, 30 cedis per match. And checkers, when you check it tickets, and you say transportation miscellaneous, they go many. Na minia meka esisu and maybe I say sometimes yet me honor matches at the end of the day no gate proceeds if you are near 800 cedis. Me person member club din for purposes of our discussion inti. If you want my bebo match baby na 1,000 cedis. Now looking at the expenditure and the cost of preparing the facility to host a year football matches, be it first division, be it second division, be it Premier League. Matches ni na were regulations. Send your pre-match technical meeting and 10 o'clock. Teams ni beba be display on colors ni bibia no. Esese will be the friend dressing room. Dressing room ba Accra Sports Stadium a. Bibi to underground. You use 20 air conditions, split air conditions. Air condition basis so the time beba born be 5 o'clock. Ansana yedumu. Bi onso no pitch no. Every day bia your facility, whether Baba Yara or Accra Sports Stadium, you gusunsu, you fertilizing, you green grass technology officers or more year juma, your sports authority maintenance officers or more year juma. Sanya menina eco matching and sanya about security and police for every match bia near the number of policemen are as some a year facility no buying. And all these people are to be taken care of. National Ambulance, Red Cross, omunina, sani menina eco match. Into bebo match baby. Na gate proceeds a beba, be 800 cedis minia. Na edio how kakraba. Consistent. E wumwa na nyankopon ya adum na bia menfa category A match bi ti say Accra House of Folk Kumasi Asante Kotoko bia. Na no menfa win for kakraba. And a facility no so because the Act of Parliament that created NSA no is for us to develop sports in Ghana no. Other disciplines ni na about use facility now won't mean pass the cost on them. For instance, anopa ko Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Omo say at least use facility no hockey pitch from why more use facility ni na no. They use it at no cost. Water bill eba electricity bill across Sports Stadium in a month yet me to 70,000 cities. It is as kasemi nyina emne yen. Eno nti ye ne clubs no nyina hia e na ye di agreement yi e de ma omo. Agreement no ma me mbo to se ne etie. Did that nyina no use a VAT here 17.5%. And on a core nti no the statutory untimi nya hwe. Now 10% eba NSO ya maintain home team 70% ya maintain GF 10 Galka 5 pia nyina ya maintain. The only difference is the departure from 5% of the gate proceeds no and you have the cost of maintaining especially the pitch senebeya clubs are who make say this month ya hona Champions League match for me fan say Samates good Accra Sports Stadium. So how much is no is the same procedure. Now, me to say America no, the departure from the old system no, just the 5%. But you share and as you quantify cost in maintaining a pitch no for a match no, we came to a figure of 5,000 cedis. Now, normal clubs no, so too high kakra. And even say clubs in the Premier League clubs in normal share. Galka se into omu Pimberg eben Galka into Galka had a meeting with the leadership of National Sports Authority say cost no bibi into currently as we speak no we agree with them say ebe form to 4,000 cedis. Okay, now 4,000 cedis no so far
4,000
per match. That's the preparation and cost for maintenance of the facility for the match. And for now, at Transport Stadium, we've not had any complaint. We are going ahead and signing the agreement with the two clubs. And Kotoko Diana no pay na me na for media for ya send man say almost almost shift to another grounds. But discussions are ongoing. These are early days yet. And so you better say to agree say crew.
Nasa metwasi ye dia based on the mukene nasanka first meeting na muye no omo agye to mu ampo anisa.
Oh, class me send me fan say Accra Lions Accra House of Folk there. Obia enkasai until we are going ahead to sign the agreement with them.
Na ye wura mu kakra bia at first no na muye ne sen ba se bobo bola aposifu eba ene light ones and some ho amu na netua na ye bo wi na mu jiska ne bitua na se mutua before.
Sa pepe te send ya mekan ya metwamfo ni say ebi wo ma match no ye bebo be wi na tickets ayato unze na nze matches na nkasa na ebi wo ma utimi kan you can even count the number of people
sure, sure.
Until at the end of the day we are 800 ni yenya ebi wo ma me fan say 1,000 until no ni be 17.5% no ye VAT until fan say 1,000 cedis now we 17.5% out of 1,000 that is almost over 100 cedis echo. Me mas and papa say who taking note there. And some page management old system like 5% and also beko 5% beko Gaka, 5% beko GFE, 10% beko NSC, 70% beko club no. And GFE in so 10%. Inti tisani ya okano. Ye gate receipts and ye didi ejuma. Ye in charge clubs no for any of the matches that we've been honoring over the years.
Okay. Yeah, sure. Option 2 no mahunu pay NSA 5% for risk and security. You're not just saying.
No in your official from NSC. Yeah, no your agreement in Namabobo so say unkwando mesa bobo so bi mama.
Okay. Now, NSA we so idea Edemu say NSA has the right to close stadium down on for activities especially on December. I don't swear.
And also so say who can come up pay your agreement ye the mom or no so no mama just 1 minute. Your partner say we will give 1 month notice to the Ghana Football Association any clubs no say ebia your crucial event ebia ye pese ye hona and yes say profim na your sorry ebia excuse me to say na ye beka say ko debi your core mandate is to develop and promote sports into yes ada.
Okay.
Say a ban say critical says see your honor ebia national event bi and I say bibia ehuhia na we all come into agreement say SE notify a year their friend 1 month notice and sign it me a close stadium down.
Charles semeti o ka say ye dia na je say no spectator na aba from no eno de how kakra abre NSC den na mo ye as stakeholders ebinu giri ye say mo ka ho bi NFA bebam clubs ni bebam because ye nipa ko stadium mo a e bi ankasa de we nyina no mo ma no enko so den e na o say ye football no na standard number from na den na esie
Mini am say we dey asamna no aka ma me no e ye nkomodi a ye nyina na e ha yen. Sometimes even cry no clubs akese no cry no so mo bo cry na ya na me twa many some time back be about some 15-20 years ago say even Kotoko any even say second division crowd bar a crowd pulling event a whole movement but this year baby amete na say we host two matches na clubs akese pa ba na nipa kakra bi na at the end of the day accounts run first pa no me kai baba yara is take it days and Sunday to me grab out with the figures of menfan say sales of tickets but this time maybe your bobo no baby we see your view better na proceeds no be about 1,000 cities and I say be 800 cities your how NTI for me no as a sports development officer no a shared responsibility. One, media play a major role in all the things that we do. So media first crusade here, be awakening the excitement and the zeal and the joy. And maybe a tremor anchor, it be a Kotoko bakra, and I say has a bakumasi ascend it you know media. Media propagate a year and as one a then corporate bodies in also be back on board because when say corporate bodies advertise and no more per numbers no nti a shared responsibility enye one stakeholder ejumadi
Charles yenhwe den mo how kakra because yen de be atie ya na etimiti so duba bi so na sika na mo kɔ ne bi koto ministry na mo kopɛ bia be yen sisi a na ya tentan den na ma ne basa
minia in my opinion no seeing a dedicated fund for sports abana ye niema bebree na ma sports o sports infrastructure o sports complex ye see ye dan into university for the first time ye timia host to African Games or Ghana for the first time abana timia tua ye their friend allowances 500 cedis for each athlete and as a sportsmen and women 1,000 of them during COVID. I buy Mobia 500 cedis allowances for 1 year. Sani money na wo ho mepemu no ye bus studio ye betimi abobo so mako. But the only thing CCI nyina ye bompa and say ye benya a dedicated fund and sika bia ye betimi dia maintaining facilities no. Eno sa no we wouldn't even think of bia ye ka say ye bo ye host any international game now your green say it's only Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Accra Sports Stadium, the only problem kakra ye who say your baby a reserve bench on a dugout.
Yeah.
And in your marketing kitibi and no eska. Pitch covering. The kata park so. I no see a kata is half fiber, plastic fiber now the kata park no so. What the kata so for even 1 month going effect or pitch no so. Sisi NSC European bank companies be but the boarding companies in UK ni a year no one pitch cover no is almost about 210 euros 210,000 euros ni boarding pa into atwa no cost as to how best you betimi protecting and facility maintaining facility no but ni nyina so no you be here medium wa so mo can be ni nyina ko to will be sponsors.
Yeah.
And I said, well, company be or person pin bear NSC near how to even or where or how to procure a pitch cover ya making. So pitch cover na making a movable. You bet me move if you have ko Cape Coast abab Kumasi ko Tamale. Now the TN say unya sa pitch cover na ultimately ye niema be bree. A brochure say almost year musical big musical concerts. Almost year car shows. Omutimi de niema bebree no crowd can even generate enough revenue NSA, I don't think say will even pass the cost of using the facility on the clubs. Enti komobone de me de say yina ye to agree as to how to maintain our facilities.
Just me as a kid to question bi ma ba before say me kon ho no mo no. Yen hwe wo se na clubs na je atumu anesa no pay na munya anti as say Kotoko. Ya atwene ho anesa na if ekoba ne sa eden na mo be.
Oh, Kotoko dear say you no more na ye dwuma me ka say I mean behind the scenes in komobone de ebekoso. Kotoko me fan say ni home ni Babayara Sports Stadium. Ohon na me fan say you try Kotoko Fuma. So I think say these are early days. I'm sure say we'll cross it.
Now we can pitch panel you be here na pitch cover pitch cover you be here na kamodi access we aye nyanya ye. Wo hwe na no deeper life dey ye ya. Paki eso sensan kra o miwa blasters nso September ye gina kono. Mo betima siesie awie.
Mini Amedasi, Ubeka just about 2 weeks ago, Accra Sports Stadium hosted a similar event. Now the TN say a deeper live event before Mbeba May turn on years on Mbeba. But that time now the league was in session. Until there was nowhere you bet me a big program. No. Until the chance around say Bibi Sana just off season. We have the whole of August to do this repair works. Met me a crisis with the within the next 2 weeks, no, and as I call Babayara Sports Stadium, you see a different picture because staff on the ground, we even contracted staff from Parks and Gardens, Ashanti region. I can assure the general public, say, within 2-3 weeks, no, park no be yet send yet here.
I'm so busy in Zakito so question back could be my mani musa na or Roma. Got to adhere yes my
good morning.
Morning, Minia.
Me pato first question here. So what happens to so Omutuasa 4,000 am agree na? What happens to your 10% now already marginal? Still now no, you are taking the 4,000 plus the 10% that already now marginal na.
No, 10% of the gate proceeding, we've maintained it. The only challenge was the 10% takes care of other utilities, electricity, water bill, maintenance of other. Look, there is one thing this year. After every match, waste you produce and I say generate our facilities. Sometimes it takes days to clear them. And suddenly you may say waste disposal for companies are clear. That is one. 2, sometimes spectators need so the mindset of the banner. Na own tiase. Accra Sports Stadium be one after matches. Corner washroom ye to tap. Corner ebi one mukra na bobs square one kra near to. In Konya ye transfer plastic chairs are ye transfer Ebi one more after be na officiating and be big to ebi. Tutu. Ni nyina ye cost ni bi. Enti sa 10% no enye 4,000 a year for the pitch, the management of the pitch, which consumes so much. 10% in here for utilities and other repair works.
Okay, now, Pacho, so what kind of sports act now? Wow, what is you say? Your core mandate is to promote sports, and if what kind of sports act 2016 now, that is what he's saying. What kind of objective and the functions? BR talks about the National Sports Authority encouraging and promoting sports. And see, the Intina, your core mandate is to encourage, promote, and make sure it's a sports because ball, which is part of sports. Now December, there will be a need say you be close stadium. Now I'm motivated from your core mandate, no. It is my free park or no stadium I'm rent for social event. So don't you think that it's a way of deviating from your core mandate?
I'm saying to core mandate we are always with it, we are always honoring it. And anything I'm can say your facilities are multifunctional. It's not for only football. Your other disciplines use your facilities no. Accra Sports Stadium boxers were and your taekwondo for your basketball, your volleyball, your tennis for use facility. No. We don't pass on the cost to them. That is part of our core mandate. Beyond football also is part of our mandate. But you can agree with me, sir, these are competitions. clubs no sponsors. You don't get tickets, and that is the commercial aspect of it. And to say, young subvention, ebana sebia and so, and I say we need money to, do extra work. The only thing is to be able to have a discussion with the clubs to be able to support us.
Don't you think that is social events is better off season because elsewhere a cost war, but mostly the family room time a season new cost no. Don't you think that is very it's not the best part is season a cost especially in December a peak season. Now I say team being free in venue uncle baby never venue no for 1 month and rent it. Bet me be a phone kakra.
Many of them say, and until I'm kind war a year usage of a closure, and I say we'll give 1 month notice to stakeholders, i.e., the Ghana Football Association, and then the clubs and Ankasa use facility. We all sit down and engage. We make sure say we don't just close it down without any discussion. Beyond no union say peak period for events here December, and discussions are ongoing. Say so your need GFA backup and crew said your matches in Libya echo December the traffic will be minimal.
Now, Pacho the Sikana mo December from those events, is it good enough to maintain this facility? And I say still anticipate buying a support to be.
You mean a very good question. What about the bits across for stadium? On a bang and Poano Kakra. It's at the mercy of the weather. Each now and then, the anti-rust chemicals near painting at a very expensive cost. To say American users of the facility, say national teams, you cannot pass the cost on to them. Utility bills are made into say 70,000 a month. To quantify, that's a woman say show and as a event back. Na be about 100,000. You will not even break even. If we have a dedicated fund for maintenance of our facilities, I don't think we'll even pass on any cost to our stakeholders and asset clubs.
Okay.
Yes, with you.
Oh, my name is more time.
Yeah. Me go back kakra no at first other in clubs no mama kwai mama sponsors no moon display or scoreboard ana.
Yeah, the practice says you sponsor. I mean, once clubs no kwan use your pitch panels no facilities no. Yeah, they are. But we have in NSA need even one influence paste crowd. I bet me I can say when so yeah so sponsor be a yenya so ye benya bibi kakra ni na clubs no. Fanny said last time ball Wokumase. I'm just citing an example. What the Obenya videos need. NSA need but what we've done, the Ayetimi with the GFA. The GFA has been very, very good to us. Say more advert a bit of a percentage. And no I will have to say that. But clubs in the more branded facility na NSA any space home.
Mo will be na mo kono munya kwan fa mo de no nwura na say munya kwan ntina mo nkope bie.
Afei na nkomodie no unse obi na asam say sutroma eni han afei na yen so senia eka emne we are also exploring ways of engaging our stakeholders. Yes, mo yusu ha mo yen nyina ye dia, but at least mo ma yen so kwan kakra. Your marketing department almost betting out after sponsor say bia or your pa mineral water being the bit me aboho na yensu yenya bibi kakra wo I think it's not out of place.
I was for and as I feel also TV ATN radio yenia Charles Amufa Okasa de National Sports Authority Okasa bebre na yefa konye so na yada Charles ase yinim say NS nkomone de ebrepam you say nyakwan because you can see dia bebre na ho na me nua ba go say me busa say pitch cover no na say course no be take e be say
but the whole UK ayensa e can cost near 210,000 euros. 210,000 euros.
Okay.
That's about, if I say 1/5 of $1 million.
On that case, no, buy now, so to another and come out, Kakana, Motitina, and Modibeto.
Kebe de pa. Inti yen the mpaibwane say we say your PPP arrangement. Public private partnership. It's a company be on also so and as individual be no betimi apia ben NS say okay, you betimi I am domina. You share how best we can share the profits when you organize events. You begin super mpa. Because yen mpaibone say the same mini and be saying yen core mandate no is to develop and promote sports. Ye nya ekwa anke bet tete ho no na sanity sports development at no cost. Nanka saa nneɛma no atumi absorb cost no nyinaa na yɛtumi ama yɛ clubs na atumi use facilities no for free, without passing cost to anybody. Rafi, come.
Hello, Charles.
Yes, I was.
Yeah, me know ya dwen pa ba ne de why bebre stadium ya was senior that but still na no mon san pusu nunum san say ba bia yo ya ntwetwen ya won san pa ho na conference camera na monya press conference na beboa.
Minia we common de nyinaa ɛwɔ hɔ na minim sɛ an individual betimi kra ayɛ adom ma yɛtinya ene na yɛ business.
Mate ma me fa asedama enna no pay so nya bre ede ma yɛn ɛwɔ live ɛwɔ Oripa TV also Oripa Radio.
Minia me so me damase.
Yo. Well, abusuafo National Sports Authority kasamafo yɛnua chasamofa ɛne ne di kodi encommon way just seconds me ba